This is John Sheely with the Traders Country Club, and this video we're going to take a look at the rally in the Dow Jones Industrial in a monthly chart. Now what we're paying attention to is the type of rally that we have. You can see it's very vertical in a narrow little range here without any deep correction, and that's the main point of this video, is that there's no correction here of any serious size. Let's put this into historical perspective here. Let's go back and look at rallies from lows of this nature. Very unusual that to have a rally that is this strong. Now let's go back in 2003. Now this is not an uncommon one. This is this is an example of what they were calling for, the quote retest of an old low. You can see a rally here for a couple of months, and then here's that quote retest that failed to break the low of 2002. There were people calling for that, as you recall, in April and May of our rally for this year, a retest of the bottom. Well, it didn't happen. Instead, we've got this type of surge. Now, this is what I'm showing you, a nice big consecutive rally. This, in this particular case, lasted quite a few months, almost 12, 13 months. But then notice what happened. The following year, 2004, a lot of sideways price action. Let's go back and we're going to scroll a little bit in history. Now we're not talking about rallies while the market's going. This is of course the big market enthusiastic rally of the late 90s. But let's see how it started. Now in 87 and 88 you can see we had a couple months up, a month down, a couple of months up, month out. This is normally how markets make a transition from a severe bear market to a bull market, but that's not what we have now, is it? Alright, let's go back a little bit in time now. Here's 1983, 82 rally. As you can see, very strong, very consistent. But then look at 1984. And this is the point we're going to be making at the end of this video. It's basically a lost year after this strong rally. Let's go back some time here. 80, of course, we had a rally. A lot of garbage up in here in the late 80s, but then you can see a resumption of the bear trend. Let's go back. Here we're into 75. This is not as many months, but it's certainly a nice vertical rally, isn't it? But here's what I want you to notice. Notice the months and months of sideways action after that vertical run. So where does that mean? What am I talking about in this particular situation? 2009. Great resumption of the bull market. Thank goodness. The 401ks turned into 201ks. But the problem is 2010 is unlikely, basis history, to be as strong as 2009. That's not the history of price behavior for the last 40 years. So just put that in your psyche for next year. Don't anticipate a rally this strong in 2010. You're probably going to have some corrections along the way. Now, I'm not necessarily forecasting that 2010 is going to be a down year. We'll just have to see. But the point is it is very unlikely to be as strong as 2009. This is John Sheely, the Traders Country Club.